Hi, Mama. Say hi, guys. Wow, such a madam. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys,
They're doing fine. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching my niece Kyra how to speak Igbo. Yeah, because you're a Nigerian babe and you have to know how to speak Igbo. I don't know what you're doing. Get away from me. Alright, Mama, head.
Head?
Yes, so head, no, shoulder. So head. Mama, say head. Mama, say head. Say head, head. Say isi.
Head.
Mama, say isi. Mama, say isi. Yay. Okay, your ears. Show me your ears. Yes. Say your ears is nti. Say nti. Open your eyes now. Say nti. Ears. Hey, Chineke. Say. Kara, why do you feel like this? Say nti. You can't see your. Mama, alright, show me your ears. Your ears. Okay, eyes. Show me your eyes. Your eyes. No. Kaka, we're learning. Mama, say eyes. Mama, eyes. Mama, eyes. Oh yeah, say Anya. Anya. Your eyes is Anya. Hey. Teaching Igbo to toddler is something else. Mama, say eyes. Anya. Say Imi. Nose. Okay. Please, no more climbing up the table. Alright, say Imi. Mama, say Imi. Yes, that's your nose. Show me your nose. Show me your Imi. Nose.
Imi.
Show me your mouth. No. Nkafo. Imi. No, Imi is your nose, not your belly. Yay! That's your Imi. Oh yeah. Ono. Say ono. Ono for your mouth. Say ono. Mama, say ono. Ono for your mouth. Oh yeah, say ile. Okay. Oh yeah, say nti. That's your ears. Nti. Yes. Nti. Oh yeah, say ono. Say ono again. Mama, say ono. Mouth. Are we hungry? Food? I don't know. Your father said I should teach you Igbo. I don't know. Mama, sit down. No. Mama, sit. Okay, say hands. Aka. Kaka, say aka. Yes. Oh yeah. Say oko. Say legs. Oko. Say oko. Say oko. I'm going to bill your father £1 million because your own leg. Okay. Say aka. Aka. Omo. Say omo. Say biko. Say biko. Kyra, say biko. If you want to get something from mommy and daddy, say biko nyem. Say biko. And mama. Mama, say biko. Huh? Oh yeah, say afo. Afo. For tummy. Yes, that's your tummy. That's your afo. And say yummy in my afo. Say yummy in my afo. Not yummy in my tummy. Yummy in my. Say afo. I don't know why you keep looking into the. Say afo. Kiss. Mwah. Alright, Mama. I think that's enough Igbo for you today. Say bye-bye, guys. Tell them to comment, like, and subscribe. Say bye-bye.